Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the flight status on the Royal Jordanian Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the More button down below in the right side corner and tap on Flight Status in the upper left corner of the screen. And then you should select from either the route or flight number option. So if you tap on the route, you should select the flight date and then the departure point. And then destination should be selected. After that, click on Find Flights button, and if you have typed in the departure point correctly and destination, you should be able to search for a flight. So here you can find the flight status, including departure point, the arrival time, and basically that's it. So if you select to use the ticket number option, it means that you can check out the flight number. You should type in the relevant number of that particular flight that you have in mind, and after that you will be able to browse. So here you can see its status. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.